Another example, this time, naka-conditional na tayo, anak. Converse naman ang kukunin. Okay, how to read this? We can read this as angle. That is the mathematical symbol for angle. Kapag marami, just add S, angles. Do you understand? Okay, if angle A and angle B are right angles, then angle A is congruent to angle B. What is congruent? Equal. Equal size, equal length. Okay, kindly translate the given conditional statement to converse tayo, anak. Converse na. Interchange lang, hypothesis and conclusion. Is congruent to angle B. Then, angle? Okay, very good. That is the converse. Now, how to get the inverse? Just negate. Negate the conditional. Ano ang conditional natin? Yung yellow, yung white. Dun tayo mag-focus kay yellow. Yellow po. Ha? That is the conditional. Anak. Yes po. Get the what is the converse? Angle, anak.
If angle A and angle B are not right angles, then angle A is not
Congruent.
to angle B.
Very good. If angle A and angle B are not right angles, then angle A is not congruent to angle B. Okay? De Pamalio, what is the contrapositive? Just interchange the inverse. Yes po.
If angle A is not congruent to angle B, then angle A and angle B are not.
Okay, next. Okay. If a triangle has no congruent sides, then it is scalene. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kapag walang not, nagdadagdag tayo ng not or no. Ngayon, meron na po tayong not or no. Saan? Sa ating hypothesis. Pero sa conclusion ba meron? Wala. So meaning, sa inverse, ang ating hypothesis, tatanggalin si no. Sa conclusion, magdadagdag ng word na not or no. Do you understand? First, ano muna tayo? Get the converse. Okay, ay Kocho, what is the converse? Just interchange lang, anak. Walang ibang gagawin. Interchange lang po.
If it is scalene, then a triangle has no congruent.
Okay, yan lang po ang ating converse. Inverse na tayo. So again, sa inverse, kapag may not or no, tanggalin. Pag wala, maglagay. Go, anak. Then, okay, yun yun. If a triangle has congruent sides, then it is not scalene. And what is the contrapositive? Ilagan. What is the contrapositive? Just interchange. The inverse. If scalene,
Then a triangle has no.
okay. Another example, number 3. If a polygon has exactly 4 sides, then it is a quadrilateral. Yes, anak, what is the condition? Converse. Interchange mo lang, anak. Okay, very good. If a polygon is a quadrilateral, then it has exactly 4 sides. Anak, inverse ka na. Just add the word not. Sino ang ilalagyan mo, anak? Yung yellow, ha? Yung nasa taas. Go.
If a polygon has not exactly 4 sides, then it is not a
Quadri. Okay, if a polygon has not, do you think, is the thought complete? No. If a polygon has, pwedeng has no, yes. Has no 4 sides, then it is not a quadrilateral. Or pwede naman, if a polygon does not have exactly 4 sides, then it is not a quadrilateral. Nakuha na natin si inverse. Madali na si contrapositive. Yes, anak? What is the contrapositive? Just interchange. Then, does not have Okay, question. Okay, next, number 4. If two line segments are equal in length, then they are congruent. Anak, what is the conditional? Sorry, the converse pala. Tama yon. Just interchange. Okay, if they are congruent, then two line segments are equal in length. Or we can say that, if two line segments are congruent, then they are equal in length. Now what is the inverse? Yes, read dito.
Two lines
Segment.
are not equal in length, then they are not congruent.
Okay, very good. Contrapositive. Iho. Ikaw na anak, contrapositive. Pagpalitin mo lang po ito. Ito na anak ang papalit mo. Pagpalitin mo lang, if, basta to, then, basta to. Go. They, congruent, then, ito ka na. Okay, that is the contrapositive. Any question? Okay, do you understand? This time class, using your notebook, activity, ano lang to? Example, so, rewrite the given conditional statement as converse, inverse, and contrapositive. So, I give you 2 minutes only.